So this section here, you can do it one of two ways. First way, I'm going to simplify it. I'm just going to delete this whole row. I'm going to delete this plus. And we're just going to say a dog on a boat. If I hit save, it's going to show me that. So I've confirmed like that's what the system's going to try to create. If we do it the other, this is good for like simple things like a motorcycle in the desert. It's kind of like what I've done before. If I undo this and I kind of go back and I don't make any changes, what this is going to do is it's going to say like I'll even hit play. It's going to say random choice. It's going to pick this one or this one, and you can see it's like in a little half quote, comma to separate it. It's going to pick one of those two, and then the next word is going to be oven right here, of n, and then right here it says of n, and then it's going to say do a random choice of these three. It's going to pick one of those, and this one it said unusual. It picked that this time. If I hit it again, it's going to randomize it. This time it did alien fruit, and he even did another plus here. That's going to make it so fruit in cross-section watercolors. Doesn't really make sense, but when you go to generate the images by putting this button here, this play button, it's going to create what he has in here, and it's going to do it 20 times, so there's a chance it's going to randomize this too, so you'll get all kinds of different things. But one of these might be like an unusual alien or unusual plant, biological illustration of n, plus fruit in cross section. So these cross sections kind of look like fruit. So now these are starting to make more sense. So you can use this if you want to create like do 5. I do 5 because you don't have to wait as long. This one's cool because you can do multiple things at once. So maybe I want like painting, watercolor, and if I want to do another one, I put a comma, do little like half quote. I'll put pencil sketch, and then here I'm just gonna keep it as alien. Maybe I'll put like surfer, interesting, cat. You can do as many as you want, really. Plus this section, I don't really know, like I just come in here and I delete this one. Like I just cut that out all the way to the plus, but you could use that. You could put something else in here and just see what it does. Maybe it does something crazy cool. So that's what's kind of cool about it. It's up to you to like think of what to put in there. I'm going to keep it simple and just take it out and just hit play again. A watercolor of an alien. What if I do it again? A pencil sketch of a cat. A painting of a cat. So if I do this 5 times right here, it's going to do it 5 times, and it might randomize it 5 times. If I do 20, it'll do 20. So like I said, I do 5 to keep it quick. Once you hit confirm here to see one of them in here, then you come down here and hit play. Sometimes it doesn't hit play. I'm going to have to hit it again. Play. And then it starts spinning. It says it's working. Now the Python code is like referencing the database, trying to find these things, and then it's going to reference those little plugins that we looked at. All these like little plugins right here. It's going to use all those to put it together. So I'm going to scroll back down. And it takes about a minute per image, so it's kind of counting right here. It takes about a minute, so I'm going to pause the screen right now and then wait for one to show up.